Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we're going through how to create an EFT cash transfer. Let's jump right in. So from the Agrimaster home screen, we want to go into the cash book, and then EFT account or paychecks, and we'll click the green paper icon up here to create a new transaction. So to begin, we want to make sure we've selected EFT cash transfer at the top, and you'll notice the page changes. So select which bank you want the transfer to come from. So we'll stick the farm check account, and then which bank account you want the transfer to go to. And so I'll just put my term loan account. And then just select the day of payment. We'll go 8th of March. And then a message, we can just put repayment, the amount, and a description if you need to. Then once you're happy with these details, click the green tick. And if we back out, we'll notice that our new cash transfer in the form of an EFT is here. So this video is just simply how to create the cash transfer. If you want to know how to export it, watch our next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you need any more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.